welcome to another video. In today's video, I am with my baby sister and we are going to be making jelly. Lime
yummy jelly.
Okay. First step, open it. So we're going to pour it into this so then we can pour it into our cups. Oh, it's green. Ew. It's like sugar. It's like just sugar. I'm gonna put the hot water. If your younger kid's doing this, make sure to be very careful and get a parent to help. Oh my god. So we're gonna take it and turn to stir it. Oh, it feels weird.
Can you smell it? It smells so good.
It smells like green oil. It's like a weird smell.
Has it all dissolved yet?
No, not yet. There's still a big chunk here. And this is what we got ours from. This is the type of one we use. It's called aeroplane something. So you can just take a photo of that and make it. Okay, so we're gonna add the cold water. Gotta be careful with this.
Add all of it in.
Oh, now I'm gonna stir it.
Oh, whatever.
Now,
It's
since
my
it's
turn
done being
next.
stirred, yep, all done.
It's my turn next.
We're going to pour it into our cup. So, hold it.
Oh, I think that's enough. You're not gonna get the whole thing.
Okay, superheroes, so now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 4 hours and I'll see you when it's all ready. Hey superheroes, so we just got our jelly out of the fridge and it's super duper soft.
And I done ate my jelly and it's so yummy.
I'm going to try mine.
Really yummy. I told you.
That's good. Okay, superheroes, make sure to smash that subscribe button and that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.